Hi, my name is Maneesha McClure, and I'm here to talk to you about the Love and Space group, which is taking place in Osho Risk Meditation Center in August of 2023, this summer. In the work of dance alchemy, we not only address what's in our head, what we think are the problem, what we are afraid of, the thoughts that we have. We do work with that, but dance alchemy approaches through the body, through the emotional body, because where life really happens and the pains that hold these issues in place are living in our body and waiting for our attention to be able to be felt, be allowed, and give us what they're going to give us, that is information, and that is the actual power to make changes or allow changes to happen. So with this dance alchemy process, which comes from all Osho's teachings about acceptance, celebration, being total in life and whatever happens to us without judgment. We put all that together and we can work on almost any issue. And the reason I created the Love and Space group was because many people in my training were coming up against issues about boundaries, feeling they are overwhelmed by too many people, or are not able to let someone in when they're in a certain emotion, or find that they can't let people close, or they have no sense of being able to say no or yes, do things they don't want to do, or say yes when they don't really want to, and so on. And these things are very painful and they affect our relating. When we approach what our actual boundary issues are, we have to address what are the needs that we have that often we're not aware of. We override our needs. We override our boundaries, our need for space, our need to choose, when we have a certain need that we feel we can only get from the other or get by pushing the other away. So to understand this and to work with it in the physical body, in the metaphysical energy field, and in our relating with each other, we really look at these needs and understand how it is when we can be with them and bring our presence that starts to change things and bring new possibilities. I was reading a couple of the comments from the people in the pilot group I did last December, February, that gave us a chance to really see what works when you connect with these boundaries, where we may have been invaded and we feel something. We need to feel that. Where we may have not received what we needed as a child, we need to encounter that. When we do that, we can grow healthy boundaries, which makes our relating life much more rich, and our inner life and sense of ourselves and who we are and our right to have some autonomy in our space and to love or to be alone when that is needed. So it's a beautiful chance when we do it together, especially in a long process like this. It's very easy to feel that this is not just your personal little problem, but that we all have maybe different wounds, different needs, but we all are affected by the same way of living, which is not really working in our society, and start to change that in our own lives. And to find that with each other gives us a lot of power, a lot of compassion, and a lot of celebration. So I hope you'd like to join me and the people that will be coming, and the people hopefully from the other groups that I've done in Risk that remember the work this summer in August. I'm looking forward to see you.